Rome. I have been standing for 3,000 years, and I am still here. Emperors built me. Emperors burned me. Barbarians tore me apart. Popes rebuilt me. Bombs fell on me, and tourists photograph me every single day. But here's what nobody tells you. Most of what you see when you walk my streets, it was never supposed to look like this. Let me tell you what really happened. I started as 7 hills and a river. Nothing special. Just mud, rock, and ambition. But the Romans had an obsession. They didn't just want to build buildings. They wanted to build forever. So they invented concrete. Not the gray, crumbling stuff you see today. Real Roman concrete, mixed with volcanic ash from nearby Pozzuoli. A material so strong that after 2,000 years, it is still getting harder. The Pantheon's dome, built in 125 AD. No steel, no modern engineering, just Roman concrete. And it is still the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Even I am proud of that one. At my peak, I had 1 million people. 1 million. In the ancient world, that was impossible. But that was me. I had aqueducts bringing fresh water from 90 kilometers away. I had sewers. I had roads connecting every corner of the known world. All roads led to me, because I built them all. And then, 410 AD, the Visigoths came. For the first time in 800 years, an enemy walked through my gates. They didn't just loot me. They broke something deeper. The idea that Rome could never fall. And they were right. In 476 AD, the last Roman emperor was overthrown by a barbarian general named Odoacer. No ceremony, no final battle. Just a quiet ending to 1,000 years of power. The Western Roman Empire was gone. For the first time in a millennium, nobody was in charge of me. Without an empire, the trade routes collapsed, the money stopped, the food stopped coming, and then the aqueducts were cut. Without water, there was nothing left to stay for. People left, first hundreds, then thousands, then almost everyone. By 500 AD, my population had collapsed to 20,000 people, from 1 million to 20,000. My forums abandoned, my marble stripped and burned for lime. I became a ghost of myself, and into that silence, the church walked in. Rome was still the most powerful name in the world, even as a ruin. The early church understood this. If you wanted to rule the minds of millions, you needed Rome. So the Pope stayed. When emperors fled, the Pope remained. And slowly, quietly, the church became the new power of the city. They didn't replace Rome. They inherited it. And the church had something the emperors never had: patience. For the next 1,000 years, popes rebuilt me piece by piece. They didn't build new things. They built on top of old things. The Pantheon became a church. The Colosseum became a quarry. Its marble stripped to build St. Peter's Basilica. Roman temples became Christian churches, their columns still standing, now holding up a different God's ceiling. Every layer of me is built on top of another layer. When you walk down any street in Rome, and you walk through 3,000 years of history, layer upon layer, each one built on the bones of the last. I am not a city. I am a living archive. Every street, every stone, every layer telling a different story. Today, 5 million people visit me every year just to see the Colosseum, a building that was abandoned, stripped, and used as a quarry for centuries. A building that was never finished. The south side still bears the scars where marble was torn away. And yet, it is the most photographed building in the world. Here is my secret. Every city tries to hide its scars. They tear down the old and build the new. I never did that. My ruins are not failures. They are my biography. Every crack, every missing stone, every repurposed column tells you exactly what happened here. I am the only city in the world where you can stand in a single spot and see 2,000 years of history looking at you. They said all roads lead to Rome. They still do. Not because I am powerful, not because I am perfect, because I am still here. Every empire that tried to replace me is gone. Every conqueror who walked through my gates eventually left, and I kept building. I am Rome, and I have never stopped, and I never will.